So in the last session, we have seen the one problem under the this high level module in the order handler, right? Based on the order the food, we are having some kind of conflicts based on your kitchen service, right? So in case of whenever we are trying to take the morning order, we have to communicate this. Whenever we are trying to take the nighttime order, we have to take this method. But the problem is the way how you are using the low level module, that is the problem, right? So to avoid this issue, what we discussed in the earlier lesson, we should not depend upon the low level module in the higher level. Okay, we should depend upon the abstraction, mean base. Okay, so for that, for resolve this issue, let's take the one more file here, and this folder. So for that, let me copy and paste here one more file here. So in this file, let me rename with dip and make it this is empty, okay, in the program. So first of all, let me take the one abstraction. Let me take the, I mean, abstraction in the sense, let me take the one base which handles the prepare order. Okay, so as of now, prepare order is the common functionalities between to the kitchen service and external kitchen service, right? I will take the one interface which handles the this prepare food. That is the first step I need to do. Okay, so for that, let me take the one interface. Let's say iFood preparation service. Okay, iFood preparation service here under this. Let me take the prepare order. Okay, next I have to take the kitchen service. Okay, so let's say kitchen service here. Then let me prepare this iFood preparation service. That's it. Okay, so now let me implement the prepare order in this kitchen service. So here, let me rename the with dip here, not the without dip, because of I'm already having the without dip namespace here. Okay, so earlier program we already having this namespace, so we should not use the same namespace here. So let's with the dip. So now let's go to the another class, that is the external kitchen service class, and then let me implement the same iFood preparation service. Okay, so now what happened? I have taken the prepare food under the one interface. So this interface I am using the kitchen service and external kitchen service. This is the first step I have completed. So next time what I will do, right? I won't use these two modules, I mean two low level modules, these two low level modules under the high level module. So instead of that, I will use the base, means abstraction, means interface to the high level module. That's it. So our problem will be resolved. Okay. So how is that in the sense? First of all, let me take the class again here, class order handler, which is the which handles the business logic. So here I will take the iFood preparation service. This is the main important. Okay, so see here I'm not using the any kitchen service or external kitchen service. Rather than I am using the abstraction. This is the principle of the dependency inversion. Okay, so now let me take the food preparation service. That's it. So instead of the food preparation service, if you want to maintain the kitchen service name, that will be fine also here. Let it be, anything is fine. So after that, let me take the constructor. Okay, so here order handler constructor. So inside of the constructor, let me take interface again here, I food preparation service and food preparation service something. So after that, let me take the kitchen service. Whatever I'm having this food preparation service is equal to food preparation service. So why I'm doing that, in the sense, whenever I'm communicating to the order handler, whenever I'm trying to call the order handler, I will pass the this external kitchen service as well as the kitchen service related objects. Okay, so to capture that, I'm taking this interface. Okay, so keep in mind, kitchen service and external kitchen service having the same parent object, that is the food preparation service. You have to keep in mind, this is very important. Okay, so both kitchen service and external kitchen service having the same parent, that is the food preparation service. After that, so whenever I'm communicating to this order handler class, okay, so here I will pass the objects of the either kitchen service or kitchen external kitchen service. That is the my target. So after that, what will be happen, right? I'm whatever I'm getting the object. Okay, so for example, let's say here new kitchen service. Okay, so whatever I'm getting this object, okay, this class related object, I'm giving this object related reference whatever to the kitchen service. Okay, that's it. Now let me take the one more program, one more method, that is the take order. That's it. Here, take order. So take order, which can take the any order right now. So here let me take the string order here, and here I'm taking that server taking the order. Just give the one kind of statement, and then kitchen service dot prepare order. So now I don't worry about the what kind of low level module I have to depend, right? So completely abstraction, this kitchen service will take care everything. So let's take the class here, program first of all. Okay, now let me take the main thread here. Under this, let me, this is the very important, let me take this order handler here, order handler. Okay, so is equal new order handler. See, this construction is expecting the food preparation interface, right? So here in this interface, you can pass the either object of the kitchen service or either object of the external kitchen service. You can pass anything, right? So for that, I am taking the new kitchen service as of now. That's it. Okay, or if you are having any confusion, let me take the one kitchen service here. Okay, let's say service 1 is equal to new kitchen service, and then give the reference service 1 over here. Okay, so now whenever I'm going to trigger this constructor, okay, whatever the constructor, this constructor iFood preparation service, which contains the service 1 related reference. This service 1 related reference, in the sense, this is a kitchen service. Okay, again, so now what will be happen? Now let me call the order handler dot take order. That's it. And right now I'm passing the some pizza. So now let me take the console right line here, and order has delivered. So let me debug this application so that you can understand more about what is going on inside of this program. Okay, so let me put the breakpoint here and let's start. So now I have created the object of the kitchen service. Then what is going on? I am passing the object of this kitchen service to the order handler constructor. This constructor is having the interface. Okay, so keep in mind, this interface is the object of the kitchen service as well as the external kitchen service. Due to this reason, you can give the reference of the iFood preparation service related interface. Okay, so now if you see that service 1, which handles the kitchen service related object, Okay, so if you go to the inside of this program, okay, now if you mouse over to the food preparation service, you see that you are having the kitchen service related object. Okay, keep in mind this is the very important. After that, again, inside of this program, inside of this method, I am using the base class. I am using the abstraction, okay, which is having the order handler. Okay, so the main principle of the dependency inversion principle is like that only. We should not depend upon the low level module. We should depend upon the abstraction. We should depend upon the interfaces. Okay, so that is the main principle of the dependency inversion. So due to that, what is happening, whatever I am having the object of the kitchen service, I'm giving the reference to the iFood preparation service again. Okay, so now if you take the F10, now if you see the kitchen service, this object contain the again kitchen service related details. Now if you go to the take order right now, so this line number 51 is completed. Okay, now order handler which contains the this order handler which contains the internally the object of the kitchen service. Okay, so now if you take the take order, now if you see that kitchen service you are triggering, so directly it will go to the this kitchen service related activity. Okay, so now if you click on F11, so it's go to the kitchen service prepare order. Okay, now if you see the F10, yeah, I can see the output, whatever the output of the this thing preparation pizza in main kitchen, this is used for the morning orders. So this is the way you can implement the logic of the dependency inversion principle. Now let's take the external kitchen as well. Okay, so keep in mind I no need to modify this logic. Okay, I no need to modify this logic based on the my requirement. Okay, so now let me take the external kitchen service here. So I'll say that service 2 is equal to new external service kitchen service. Again I will take the same code here and copy paste. Okay, so here I will say that order handler 1, here instead of the service 1 let's say service 2. So I'm taking the external kitchen service, right? So service 2 is there, service 2, and we can call the order handler 1 here. Take order as of now, let's say something burger, that's it. Now again let me copy this code and paste here, that's it. So now I'm putting the breakpoint here, service 2. Okay, now again if you see the output, so now let's start the execution about the external kitchen service. Okay, so again F10, if you see the service 2 related reference, that is the external kitchen service. Okay, you are seeing that external kitchen service, right? So again let me communicate it to the constructor of this order handler. So this food preparation service as of now this contains the external kitchen service again. So and then I'm giving the this object reference of the external kitchen service to the this kitchen service. Okay, now again back to the take order of this order handler 1. Now keep in mind this order handler 1 right now it contains the external kitchen service. Okay, so I am at line number 58. Okay, so line number 58 I'm having. Again let's go to the take order. So I'm taking the order. Okay, now if you see the output for this order, server taking the order, that is the burger. Okay, so I'm passing as the burger. Now again prepare food. Okay, so kitchen service as of now I have the external kitchen service related reference details, right? So again F11, now you see that external kitchen service related functionality is executing. Okay, so now again if you see the statement of this external kitchen service into the console window, so now we can see that preparing the burger in the external kitchen, this is the this handles nighttime orders. Now in this way you can understand the way how dependency inversion principle will be executed and we can understand what is the main advantage of dependency inversion principle. The main logic over under the order handler. This is the main logic. So this is the main important whenever we are preparing the high level modules. This is the very important that we should not use the any low level module. We should not give the reference the service which contains the actual implementation details, rather than you should use the interfaces. So these interfaces will take care everything while you are calling from the your main thread.